Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way to create and display a service area map on your WordPress website. For this demo I'll be using our WordPress theme called Poopfree Theme. Now, if you have purchased one of our themes, you probably already know that in our documentation we show you how to manually draw your service area map, and honestly, that can get pretty frustrating, especially if you're working with a lot of zip codes and complex borders. Let's say you service 10 to 15 different areas and you want to create a separate local page for each one. That means you would have to manually draw 10 to 15 maps, which takes a lot of time. But with the plugin we created, you can generate all of those maps in under 5 minutes. And the best part? The only thing you need to do manually is copy and paste your zip codes. Alright, let me show you exactly how it works. I have already purchased the license, so let's go ahead and install the plugin. So I'll click here, install, I'll paste the license, click install, and let's wait for the installation to be finished. Now we have to activate the plugin, and after the activation you will see the plugin here on the left side. So if you click here on local maps, you will see the wording here that says, please add your Google API key in the settings before generating maps. So we'll go here to settings, or we can click on that link here. And now it says that this plugin requires Maps JavaScript API enabled in your Google Cloud Console, used to render the zip code boundary maps. That means that you need in a Google Cloud account to create that API key with Maps JavaScript API enabled. Google account is free, and the Maps JavaScript API includes a generous free tier with $200 per month credit, which covers thousands of maps load, about 25,000 of maps. It's pretty much free, and Google may ask you for a payment method to verify just your identity with creating a Google Cloud account, but you will not be charged unless you exceed that free tier. For typical service area websites and maps, this is extremely unlikely, so let's go here to Google Cloud Console to see how to create that. We are on Google Cloud, and I have a project here, so you can create a new project here if you want. And now we have to go here to APIs and services. We'll go here to library. After that, click on Maps JavaScript API. If you don't see that here, just type it here and it's going to show you. Then click on Enable, and if you didn't create an account here and connected your payment method, you'll be redirected to another step when you click here on Enable, and it's going to show you right now. So it's checking, and they see that I do not have account right now, and as you can see, no charge to try Google Maps platform APIs, access up to 10K calls, no cost per month. So also get an extra 300 credit for any cloud product for 90 days. So this is free, so you're not going to exceed these quotes. So let's click here on agree and continue. And after that, you'll have to connect your payment method. So I'm going to switch to another account now to show you how to get your credentials after creating an account. Okay, so now we are here, and I'm gonna use this test Steven tutorial account. So we'll click here on menu, API and services, and you can click here on credentials. Right now, as you can see, we have a Maps platform API key, and you can click here show key to use that, but I'm going to create another one so I can show you how you can create it from scratch and how to restrict that API key. So it's recommended restricting your key prevents unauthorized use and protects your Google Cloud billing account. you can do it like here in edit API, but let's create another one, API key, like this. Okay, I'll say YouTube test video key, no APIs. We are gonna select Maps JavaScript, that's the one we need. Choose service account. And we can restrict right away here. So you can use website like this, and then you can add the domain of your website. So since I'm going to use this test website, I'm just gonna copy and paste this domain here like this. So let's click create, and I will delete later this API key, copy to clipboard. Let's go back here, paste, and right now we can click here on save settings. But before we generate our map, I would like to show what you can do here. So right now we can change the map boundary color. So I'm gonna use this color, and I'm gonna save settings like this. And let's go back to local maps. And for example, I'm going to find Frisco, Dallas zip codes just for this example. So let's say Frisco, and you can add it like this, Frisco, Texas. And we can type 75033, then comma, then 75034, 75035, 75036, 75068. And let's click add city and generate map. So right now you can see that this map is generating, and estimated time is 15 seconds, but sometimes it can go over the 15 seconds if you have more zip codes. So it needs to pull the zip codes from one API to another one and to draw all those maps. So as you can see, map is ready, and we can click here on view map. And yeah, this color is not really good because of the color of the lake, but you can see it here. It's drawn. But what we can do, we can click settings, then I'm gonna use this one, save settings, and we can see that we can edit the map. So I'll save this one in this tab, and I will just remove these zip codes, and I'll keep these two, and let's click regenerate the map. So right now it's creating another one with only those two zip codes, and we can view map, and you'll see it's really different, only those two zip codes. So what else you can do? You can copy URL like this, and you can copy the iframe. So I'll show you two ways, and also you can delete. So now I'll go to the pages. I'll go to, let's see, local page here. This is local page template from our team. And I'll scroll down to this element where we have the map. Click on the icon. So now we only need the URL. So let's go back to the maps. We'll click copy and paste URL and paste it here like this, and it's going to show the map. So what else you can do? So let's say I'll completely delete this element like this, and then I'm gonna find HTML element and add it here. Sorry, I'll do it like this. Okay, I'll delete, and then you can click here, copy iframe, and just copy and paste it here, and you can show the map right away. So we can publish, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this plugin. It can really help you create all those zip code service area maps, and just imagine that you have to create 15 maps more. So it will be just add the name, paste the zip codes, click add city, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye.